Let's look at the second fundamental rule, which is the fundamental rule for multiplication. I'm given two jobs again, but the sequence in which the two jobs are performed is different here compared to the situation in the first rule. I can perform the first job in n ways. After the first job is completed, I can perform the second job in n ways. Then the number of ways I can perform both the jobs together is m times n. The key difference lies with the fact that in the first case I had an either or option. I could choose between job 1 or job 2, while in the second case I have to perform job 1 and then job 2. This is the main difference and will form the basis of our calculations in the topics to come. Let's look at an example now. Again, the class has 10 girls and 8 boys. The teacher this time wants to select a girl and a boy. In how many ways can the teacher do it? Please note the and in the question. Now, let's look at the ways we can select a girl and a boy. Let's start with those cases in which I choose the first girl. There, I can choose either the first boy or the second boy or the third boy and so on in a total of 8 ways. Now, let's have a look at those cases in which I choose the second girl. There, I can again choose the first boy or the second boy or the third boy and so on in a total of 8 ways. Similarly, I can do it 8 times for the third girl as well, and so on till the 10th girl. So, adding all the cases together, I get a total of 80 ways in which I can select a girl and a boy. Now, let us look at the same problem using the fundamental principle of multiplication. I have two jobs. First is to select a girl out of 10 girls, and this can be done in 10 ways. Next, I have to select a boy out of 8 boys, which can be done in 8 ways. Hence, the two jobs can be completed in 10 times 8, which is 80 ways.